Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Okay, so right from the resistance zone, it started the downtrend. We can see the downtrend signal and the sell signal, and ever since it has been selling, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, but for now this is still selling. Next asset is going to be Ganex 999. Ganex 999 had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it sold for a while, and of course, it went back up again, and it has gotten to the same resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to sell again. So I expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it will buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Right from this support region, this actually started an uptrend. I told us this in the morning, and of course it has been buying since then, even though it's played around there for a while, but broke out above this resistance zone at this point, and of course to give us more buying opportunity, and it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, to go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it sold for a while, went back up again, and it got to the same resistance zone, and it sold again. Okay, so even though it didn't go too far, okay, we expect it to finish up with a pullback somewhere here. Okay, so you should watch out for that. If it gets there and breaks out above there, then it will be gets into the resistance zone. Okay, but if it does not, it will go back down to try out the support zone and see if it will break out from there, and may likely get to this point. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, still on 15-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This had been on uptrend for this resistance zone. It started selling, and it sold till it got to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it's having a pullback right now. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back down and come back to this support zone to see if it can break out from here and continue with a sell signal. Okay, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then it's going to switch into a sell trend again. So you should take note of all that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.